Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I wanted to share the wall hanging that I made on my live video with Lorelle a couple weeks ago. I kept meaning to do a video of the finished wall hanging, and there's just been so much going on that I hadn't been able to do it until now. But this is the finished wall hanging, and any live videos that I do, whatever I make, I will do a separate video for, because I know there are a lot of subscribers that don't like to watch the live videos. It's not for everyone, and I don't want to alienate anyone, so I will do both. I'll do my lives, and then I will do a separate video for my finished projects. The main reason why I'm doing the lives is to show step by step, and if during that time someone that's watching is crafting along, or even if it's just someone that has a question, I can answer it right then and there. And it's just a different aspect of, showing what you're doing, how you're doing it, and hopefully, inspiring others to try it for themselves if they, see how easy some things, can be once you get used to it. So anyways, this is the finished wall hanging. I love this image. I think Roberta sent me that image. I'm not positive, but I just love it. And so I wanted to use that. And as usual, I started off with an embroidered doily with the crochet, and then another doily on top of that, and then a third doily on top of that. Unfortunately, the only doilies you can really see is the one in the back and some of the one in the front. But the reason I use 3 usually is for stability. And so after I put the image on, I went down, and my next step is usually the dangles. I added fringe trim to it. I added, and this isn't going to be easy to show you, and that's another reason for the live. You can see as I show you step by step each layer and all that. So anyways, there's the fringe trim behind, and then I added this long dangle trim, and this trim in cream color, this one here, and then this one in a champagne color, and then this one in the silver gray. I had some left of that, and then this little piece is what I have left of this beaded trim that I've used in the prizes for my giveaway and a couple other projects. And then I added this little rhinestone and pearl cup chain piece going across there. Here's a little flower I made. Here's a doily flower, and I added this piece in the middle. A friend made this part of the flower, and I just added the center. And then here's a part of a bridal applique, just a little leaf piece with the pearls. Here's another flower I made from individual flower pieces from trims, as well as these. And these are all from Craft Supplies for You. This pink flower trim is Craft Supplies for You, and I just added the tiny pearls to it. Yeah, these 3 are I use trims from Craft Supplies for You. I guess it could be a design team project, couldn't it? And then this applique is part of this wedding applique that I cut down. Here's a part of another applique that I cut, and I added rhinestones to the flower centers. And let's see. Oh, there's another one of those beaded appliques from that one. And in between, I added some tulle trim, and then I added some beads just as the hanger. So that's it. That's the project that I made that night with Lorelle, and I like how it came out. And if you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll be back again soon with another project share. So bye for now.